Play Pibaro, Ipidang Subhai Pija, Pijit Kumi, but Kikubo,
Air jumka election arhajar arpulai kelas dang be menta bat ke jingerong ye mi seng jongkiriu san perthai kelas dang haka nyau tarik unok pra arhajar arpo ke NPP kala priang burom ye ka kong Biolinda Lyngdoh Nonglait ka balalet ban Pyniasnoh ela di syakatei ke seng la priang burom ye ka kong Biolinda do president rangba ke NPP ubaderu menteri rangba ke jilla u Conrad ke sangma haringkat ke jingelon lang uba preston tensong ubat rukum usembut menteri rangba kajilla u Dr. W.R. Karluki MP Rajya Sabha ubadeiru state president ke NPP lembat ki wei pat kinong yalam katei ke seng kabakila edon lang ha kajingalang kabalalong ha office ke NPP hala shumir shillong ka kong Biolinda kadei kabalaya kunteng ha ka election arhajar khatpra nakaseng HSPDP bat haka election MDC arhajar khat khandai klalej ban yatre lang bat kaseng congress henrei mintapat klalej ban Pyniasnoh eladi syakaseng NPP ban laongru baka kong Biolinda Lyngdoh Nonglait kala ban yakun ka election MLA arhajar arpulai nakaseng NPP na Mauthat Rashan constituency
Biolinda Nonglait and the others from the party from Mauthat constituency who have joined the NPP today. It really is a great honor, I should say, and great pleasure to welcome all of you formally to the party. We have been discussing and talking about this for a long time, and we were all looking forward to it. So today, finally, it has happened, and I think this particular moment is a very, very important moment for the party in terms of the state and also in terms of West Khasi Hills district. I think it's a big boost that we will have. And